Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very special limited edition beauty box from Roccabox, and it is their All About You box. This box is going to be released on the 28th of February. It's a carefully curated box of 7 beauty must-haves from sought-after premium and cult brands, designed to deliver a serious dose of self-love to all the women in our lives in anticipation for International Women's Day and Mother's Day next month. The cost of the box is £25 and it has a value of over £99. Every product in the box has been handpicked by a member of the Roccabox team with their favourite women in mind. They chose each product for its ability to nurture, nourish and effectively care for skin, mind, body and soul. Think feature enhancing makeup, complexion loving skincare and evocative home fragrance. All bases are covered. So all links and everything related to this box you will find down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Although the live link for this box will not be available until the 28th of February. So this box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it, and I can't wait to show you. These sell out super fast, so if you've got your eye on this box then make sure you're ready online waiting for when it drops. So let's show you what's actually inside. This box was actually delivered about 10 minutes ago. I've been filming all day, so you might see me dressed exactly the same in lots of videos, so I thought, well, while everything is all set up I might as well get on to doing this. So you might not be able to see much there, there's lots of worms, but inside you've got a card and it details everything about the products in the box, so I'll refer to that as we go along. Okay, got a bit of a sneak peek there. So the first product in the box is a makeup product. This is by Code Beautiful. This is a FFL Forget Fake Lashes. It's the outer packaging. Ooh! Is it a primer or is it the actual shade? Look at this. Can you see there? It's got fibres on it and it's like a caramel brown. Let's see what it says about it. It could be like a primer before you put your mascara on. The recommended retail price for this is £18 and it's full size. It says lash extensions obviously fell by the wayside last year, and never leaving your home means false lashes are a no-go. Lucky for us, we've discovered we could fatten up our own admittedly rather short and sparse, like mine, natural lashes in a far easier way than with this pre-mascara lash plumper. Okay, that makes much more sense. Plus it conditions while it coats, leaving lashes naturally nourished and feeling loved. Now I'm a bit nervous of fibre lashes only because I can't stand all the bits that come off it, but the fact that it's a primer and then you coat it with your own mascara, yeah, that's much better. I can't wait to see what that is like actually. Anything for longer lashes. Next we've got a product by Skin Sapiens, and this is a facial cleansing gel. Gently cleanse all skin types, even sensitive. Contains oat and 14 ingredients, unperfumed and dermatologically tested, vegan and natural origin, and we got 150 mils there. It's a very subtle smell. Oh, it smells nice though. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £7.99. It says a good morning routine starts with a really good clean, and this gentle cleanser will rid your skin of impurities, leaving it fresh but not stripped of goodness. Plus, with just 14 ingredients and absolutely nothing harsh inside it, it leaves your conscious as clean as your complexion. Next we got a little melt. This is by Wild Tree Skincare, and this is an organic body scrub melt, soothing and moisturising with cacao, and it says massage into wet skin to exfoliate and moisturise until the bar melts completely. Wash it off with warm water. This is a single use product. Now I have one of these already. I'm not sure if it's the same one. I've got a feeling it's a different one from this brand. I received it just before Christmas and I've got it in a little box ready to use. So I still haven't used it yet, but I remember from opening this up, oh, it just smells so nice. It smells of chocolate. So this is full size, and to purchase this it'll cost you £6.90, and it says bars have had a real resurgence recently, and this exfoliating bar crammed with some delectable ingredients, cacao, shea butter and organic cane sugar is a delight to use. Just buffing our bodies with it a couple of times a month leaves skins visibly brighter, baby soft and smells like dessert. So there's that. Next we've got a face mask, and this is by Skimono, and this is an advanced moisturization plus, a replenishing serum infused with extracts of rose and hyaluronic acid in an innovative biocellulose mask. Woo! The ring light reflects badly on some items, but yeah. We've got all the information on the back there on how to use it and how long to leave it on for. The recommended retail price would be £15. This serum infused sheet mask is seriously hydrating and generally transformative. Layer the hyaluronic acid rich mask over your skin, pour yourself a green tea, pick up a magazine, or just lie back and do sweet FA while it works hard to replace rehydration lines and it just ends. Rehydration lines and that's how it ends. There you go. Next we've got a product by Dr. Kraft, and this is a bacuchiol and rosehip facial oil, and this is a natural retinol alternative, ultra hydrating and softening, wrinkle reducing anti-age formula with apricot, rosehip and grape, and it's 30 ml here. This is from a brand I haven't heard before. I don't think so anyway. It doesn't want to come out. It's stuck. Oh. That's what it looks like there. There. Yeah, it feels really nice. It's absorbing really nicely into the hand actually. Not a strong scent. It smells a bit like grass, which is not bad. There's something else I tried recently that had a really nice sort of grass smelling scent. Oh, look at the mess. Look at the mess. I thought I got it off. I was doing an eyeshadow swatch earlier on and I have not washed that off properly. Apologies. Okay, so what can I tell you about this oil? This is full size and the recommended retail price is £42. Bacuchiol is nature's equivalent of retinol. It delivers very similar effects but without the potential for irritation and reaction that retinol can often be responsible for. Pair its anti-aging and UV damage reduction benefits with vitamin A and E, rich organic rosehip oil, and then add in organic apricot and grapeseed oil, rich in linoleic and oleic acid for added moisture support, and you get a highly moisturizing, non-comedogenic, skin nourishing, anti-aging treatment that delivers straight into your skin. That sounds fab, doesn't it? That sounds really lovely. That has gone right into my skin. It hasn't left a really sticky residue on my skin at all. Oh, that is nice. Yeah. Next we've got something rather exciting. This is a room mist. This is by Fired Earth. This is a white tea and pomegranate room mist. Oh, I can't wait to give that a smell. There's 200 mils here. And gorgeous packaging. Really lovely. Oh my gosh, okay. Doesn't want to come out. I'm going to get cramp in my finger. Why isn't that not working? No, it doesn't work for me, unfortunately. Oh, that is odd. It's just... The smell is so nice. The smell is really nice. It's just little tiny squirts coming out now and again. Maybe the more I do it, I can see tiny... You're not going to be able to see it. Or maybe you can, I don't know. Just very, very... Like, nothing is coming out now. I'm going to have to stop. My finger is hurting. So this is by the brand Wax Lyrical, and to purchase this it will cost you £10. We've included this hypnotic room fragrance because it evokes a scent designed to lift your spirits and encourage good vibes. A tea-based fragrance paired with a renowned tile print design bottle makes for a room fragrance that looks as good as it smells and makes you feel ever better. It is stunning. It is stunning. I am a bit gutted that this one doesn't really work for me, but maybe it just needs to go in. See, it does a little bit. Yeah, more and more is coming out there. More and more, but it's very, very fine, which is good in a way, I suppose, because I am quite heavy-handed and I can just imagine me like squirting like anything, and the kids and my husband be like, what have you been spraying again, Claire? And lastly, we've got a little freebie. It's an added little freebie. And this is a perfume, and this is by Kieran. Is that how you say it, Kieran? I'll show you now. But this is a 10 AM Flirt Eau de Parfum, and we've got 1.5 mils here. I don't think I've ever smelled any of these perfumes before. It's clean, cruelty-free, conscious, free of parabens and phthalates as well. Ooh, does it say what is in it? Crisp green grasses, Sway high above the concrete jungle. Refreshed by the breeze I gave over the immense cityscape of New York, a path extends before me, with possibilities seeming limitless. In an instant our eyes lock. A magnetic attraction. Electrified by this connection, our lips form a smile, a highline flirt. Ooh. Okay. 10 a.m. flirt. Are you going to be now? Oh, that is such a different scent. That is such a different scent to what I've smelled before. What is it? I'm now smelling after smell. It smells very similar to Chanel Chance Entendre. I think that's how you say it. If any of you have got that and you've got the Chanel Chance, the Entendre one, then yeah, please let me know. Can we get different ones then? You might have different ones in there. Yeah, you'll either get this one, which is 10 a.m. Flirt, or you get a Nitro Noir. Its scents are inspired by real NYC stories and the energetic vibes of NYC's urban lifestyle. They're all genderless and individualistic, and they celebrate inclusion. How could we resist? I really love this one. Yeah, I like it. Let's have some on my skin. So you've got a little perfume there. So those are all the products inside this limited edition box. I'll just go through them all just to give you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Skin Sapiens, a face cleansing gel. We've got a Dr. Kraft facial oil. We've got a Skimono Advanced Moisturization Face Mask. We've got a Wild Tree Organic Body Scrub Melt. We've got a Code Beautiful Forget Fake Lashes, a eyelash primer or plumper. We've got a Fired Earth White Tea and Pomegranate Room Mist. And lastly, we've got a little perfume sample by Kering, and this is a 10 a.m. Flirt sample. So the cost of the box is £25. It has a value of over £99 and contains 7 products. I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you going to be on the Roccabox website on the 28th of February in the hope of bagging yourself one of these boxes? Or are you thinking, you're not too sure? Or are you like, nah, it's definitely not for me? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.